The government of Israel claims that UNRWA service can be transferred to other entities. In fact, the agency's mandate and capacity to provide public-like services to an entire population are unique. UNRWA's ability to directly provide education and primary health care far exceed that of any other entity. These services, in reality, can only be transferred to a functioning state, public institution. UNRWA's personnel and services are also tightly woven into the social fabric of Gaza. The disintegration of the agency would intensify the breakdown of social order. So dismantling UNRWA now, outside a political process, would undermine the ceasefire agreement and sabotage Gaza's recovery and political transition. In the West Bank, the Palestinian Authority has stated clearly that it does not have the financial resource or the capacity to compensate for the loss of UNRWA's services. A chaotic dismantling of UNRWA will irreversibly harm the lives and the future of the Palestinians.